of public speaking. Yeah, well, that was me. Now, I don't know what happened to my brain. I think someone just implanted something. Before doing all this, I used to run a pen friend club. Did anybody used to have pen friends? You know, good old letter writing, and share that voice across the different platforms consistently. Are we up? Time's up? All right, off we go. That's enough. Then you've got the experience, and this is your traditional CV. What do you bring to the table? What's your experience? What's your qualifications? What's your life experience? Because you want to bring that to the profile. And on the other side, who are you trying to make a difference to? What problems are you solving for whom, and what outcomes are you providing? So if you can bring all that together, that becomes your story, and that will frame who you are online.
Are you serious?
Yes, yes, I'm serious. I love that. Yes. Okay, so, but what we can see here are three lovely people that we can't connect to, because when we meet people, we connect with their eyes, we connect with a smile. You can take them off now because I know it's a little bit uncomfortable. When you're standing on a stage with a bag on your head, you can't connect to the person. You can't see them, and you can't get a feel for who they are. So who here is guilty of wearing a bag on their head on LinkedIn? As in, you've got no profile photo. People get scared of using LinkedIn because they're fearful of looking unprofessional on LinkedIn because, everybody can see it. But the most important piece of text on your profile is this piece of text here, right under your name. It's called your headline. It's a positioning statement, and it follows you everywhere on LinkedIn, whether you show up in searches, whether you show up in someone else's conversation in the newsfeed. So think about the problem you're solving, and think about the keywords and phrases people are searching for. You'll have other experiences, or things will come to mind. Your content's always going to be moving, so it's something you need to consistently be working on.